130, we say A here was 130, then this must be 50 degrees. Alright? Second one, angles around a point. Any angles that add up around a point like this, they'll always add up to 360 degrees. Okay? So if that was 90 and that's 130, that will be 220 together. So this one here must be 140. Okay? Then we have angles around a triangle, or rules to do with angles in a triangle, and there's obviously three different types of triangles that we usually look at. There's one like this one here, which is a scalene because it has no equal angles. But the rules with the triangle is that the angles will always in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if you're given these two angles here and this one, to find the other one, it's simply 180 minus those two, which in this case here will be 60 degrees. Alright, with an isosceles triangle, now an isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two equal sides, and that means it has two equal base lengths. Base lengths are the same size. So if you're given the top angle here, it's 40 in this case, to work the bottom ones out, it's going to be 180 minus the 40, and then divide that by 2, in which case each one will be, therefore each one is 70 degrees. Alright? The third triangle you may come across is an equilateral triangle, this one up here. Alright? Equilateral triangle, as its name suggests, has got three equal sides and three equal angles, so that's easy. They're always 60 degrees. Okay? Another rule that we have here with triangles is to do with the exterior angle of a triangle, which in this case here would be made there. It has three exterior angles, but we're just going to look at this one. Now the rule with an exterior angle in a triangle is that the exterior angle always equals the sum of the two interior opposite angles, those two there. Okay? So if these two here added to 110, no, sorry, in this case 120, right? That means that the angle out here, A, also has to be 120. Now if you have a think about that, there's good reason for that, because there's for twofold. So if A here is 120, we know from our previous angles on a straight line that angle D there must be 60, because that and that has to add to 180, going back to the straight line rule. And also, and another check for that is that that's also correct, because if I have this as 60, we know that the triangle inside the triangle must add to 180, so that plus 60 is 180, so that's correct. So there's some of those rules you'll find will overlap. Okay, that's it for the start off of angles. The next thing we look at will probably be to do with angles on parallel lines. Okay, thank you.